you know what I mean?
Beautiful.
So that's really key to elaborate a little bit on each one as to how you're actually going to be feeling when that thing happens, you know?
And I think that part of her accident process, which was the 30 days I got bored of it, is actually very good for everybody.
Yeah.
So whether you do that, read it out for 21 days, whether you do it for 30 days, then, okay, you're done, get on with your life.
Yeah.
Back to what I always talk about is basically set it and forget it, right?
Yeah.
So before we finish off this video, is there anything else you need to add to it, or have you shared everything you think?
Last things I would share, because I know I get from having done videos on this, I know the frequently asked questions that come with it. Some people are concerned about, like, is it okay if I'm embarrassed in my house and I don't want to be reading this letter out loud, like, is it okay to do it in my head?